So here I wanted to show you, this is how much noise a GHL, this is a slave doser with dosing heads. This is how loud they are, just straight off the bat, not in a cabinet or underneath your aquarium or anything. That's about how loud it is, without any water going through them or anything. And of course, if you put it behind a cabinet, you wouldn't even hear this. This is the second head. This is the third head. Just checking the settings on them here. These three units are going to be a. This is my saltwater pump. This is my waste pump, and this is my ATO pump for my auto water change and auto top off. This set of dosers, that's what they're used for. So I just wanted to give you an idea what they look like and what they sound like when you first get them out of the box and set them up, starting to set them up.